Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word horchata in depth. First, the definition. Horchata means a traditional beverage made from ground nuts, seeds, or rice mixed with water and sweetener. Think of it simply as a refreshing, creamy drink. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Horchata traces back to horchata originated in Spain, and its name derives from the Latin word hordiata, meaning made with barley. Over time, it's been used by cultures in Spain and Latin America. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use horchata in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. I tried horchata for the first time and loved its sweet, creamy flavor. Correct example 2. She served cold horchata at the summer party, and everyone enjoyed it. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to horchata my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using horchata correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Horchata means a traditional beverage made from ground nuts, seeds, or rice mixed with water and sweetener. It comes from horchata, originated in Spain, and its name derives from the Latin word hordiata, meaning made with barley, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with horchata down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.